Question 2. Charles and Haden had a total of $70. After his father gave Haden another $7, Charles had 6 times as much as Haden. So how much money did each child have at first? So for this question, we will be doing stacking. So let's draw our models first. So we have Haden and we have Charles. And we know that Charles had 6 times as much as Haden. So let's draw 6 units for Charles. And then we have 1 unit for Haden. And we know that in order for Haden to get 1 unit, he had to receive another $7 from his father. So let this box be 7. So this is the original amount that Haden had. And we know that they had a total of $70 in the beginning. So since this is the model in the end, their total would be 70 plus 7 because Haden needed 7 more dollars to get a full unit. So let's write this out. We have 1 unit from Haden plus 6 units from Charles, and this represents 70 plus 7. So 7 units represents 77. So now we can find the value of 1 unit, which is 77 divided by 7, and that gives us 11. So now we can calculate the amount of money each child had at first. So amount of money Haden had at first would be 1 unit minus 7. So that is $11 minus $7, and this gives us $4. And amount of money Charles had at first would be 6 units. So that is $11 times 6, and this gives us $66. So these two answers are your final answers.